3's Eyewitness News. Brotherly Love is sponsored by Wawa.
Pop superstar threw out the challenge, and 4 young women from Westchester answered the call.
In this week's Brotherly Love, Dave Huddleston tells us how Nick Jonas from the Jonas Brothers inspired them to help others.
It was a call to action from Nick Jonas. You see, Nick has type 1 diabetes, and he told this Philadelphia crowd during last year's concert to do something, anything to help others. It was an epiphany for 15-year-old Morgan Mullen and her 3 friends.
It depends what you do to help other people, not what you do for yourself.
So on the spot, the girls decided to raise money and buy insulin pumps for needy children with diabetes. They called their event Pump It Up. They got several area Wendy's restaurants to donate and Westchester's athletic facility, ACAC, to jump on board. November 7th and 14th, they're donating their swimming pools, moon bounce room, gyms, and 30,000 square feet for games, snacks, face painting, and more. Staff members say these young ladies know how to get things done.
They didn't just sit on the couch and say, oh, we ought to do something, let's do something. And so we were like, sure, we'd love to. And we're so glad we did.
This is the 2nd year for Pump It Up. Last year, they thought they'd raise, a couple $100.
Well, the small fundraiser raised hopefully about $400, and we ended up raising like $6,025.
It was amazing. I couldn't believe it. I just was proud of us.
Morgan's mom was also proud. Like Nick, she has type 1 diabetes. She says she looks at these 4 teenagers and is simply amazed.
I can't be any more prouder. I can't be any more prouder of my daughter and the other 3. They're just extraordinary women that are going to grow to change the world.
Last year's $6 grand and the money from this year's event will go to the Jonas Brothers Foundation called Change for the Children. The Pump It Up ladies have events planned from November 7th through the 18th. Go to our website, cbs3.com, for the time and locations. While there, you can nominate someone for our Brotherly Love Report. Dave Huddleston, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
It's really great.
It is
I'll tell
fantastic.
you, teenage girls responding to what the Jonas Brothers said.
How about it?
Thanks,